First, import Turtle. Turtle is a Python feature like a drawing board, which lets you command a turtle to draw all over it. Create variable myTurtle to use turtle. Use myTurtle equals to turtle.turtle to call turtle function. Now we are going to use some turtle commands to move it. myTurtle.forward is a command to push your turtle in forward direction. This command contains distance in it. Here we choose 100 as a distance. myTurtle.right is a command to move your turtle in right direction. This command contains angle in it. Here we choose 90-degree turn. It just draw one straight line. To move it slowly we use myTurtle.speed. This contains 0 in it to make it in slow speed. Now we will create one function to create square using 4 sides. We name it as mySQ. We will use for loop of range 4 to make 4 sides. Range is a function which iterates iterable variable from given range. The square will appear on Python Turtle graphics window, but it will move pretty fast, you may not catch it. In a score function we will use distance and angle as 2 arguments. We will call the function by giving distance. Now we want to create some more squares to create pattern. We will gonna use number of for loops, and we will add extra myTurtle right shift of 10 degree to create pattern. Now follow the code for repeated patterns.
Yeah.
You can create more colorful and interesting graphics. Subscribe to Hard Work to learn more fun with Python.